We stop using VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP in favor of XLOOKUP, and this is why. In VLOOKUP, we have lookup value, but we have to select the whole table, and we have to start with the value that we're looking up as the first column. Then we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the column that we want to return. We have to do all that. Then if we want an exact match, we have to say false, double click, close, enter. So we had to go through all that to get that value. Same thing with HLOOKUP, except we just do it horizontally. So, but instead, if we use XLOOKUP, then we say XLOOKUP, lookup value is the invoice number, lookup array is where the invoice number lives, the return array is the number we want to bring back, in this case, the price including tax, close, enter, boom, all done. Now, if you wanted to, in VLOOKUP, you could not look up the date for the invoice because the date resides to the left of the invoice number. So in this case, we can say XLOOKUP, lookup value is still the invoice number, lookup array is the same array, then the return array is the date and it's to the left, close, enter, boom. Now this also works instead of HLOOKUP, but it's the same exact commands, really great. So we have the amount, we have an invoice number. Now we took this table and we flipped it on its side. So if your data is facing another direction, you want to use HLOOKUP. So it would be, but you still use XLOOKUP, XLOOKUP. The lookup value is here. The lookup array is here. And the return array is here. Boom, done. And you can find the date too just as easily, but that works exactly the same way. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel so we can get up to that 1,000 subscriber mark so we can start monetizing. That would be great. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you around the corner.